Today we are going to discussing about attenuation. Attenuation is the loss of power suffered by the optical signal as it propagates through the fiber. It is also called as fiber loss. That means in the optical fiber, light is transmitted into the core of the optical fiber. There is a light signal is transmitted. That light signal is loss. The loss of power is called as attenuation. That is also called as fiber loss. The cause of attenuation. Okay. So there are three mechanisms is takes place inside the core of the optical fiber. One is absorption, second one is scattering loss, third one is radiation loss. So let us discussing one by one. First is absorption loss by impurities. So here you know this is a structure of optical fiber. Inner layer is core, surrounding layer is cladding. Inside the core, light is transmitted. Light is incident on the core cladding interface. Then it will again reflect in the same medium, that is core and cladding medium. Again it will reflect. Okay. So here in this case, the impurities that are generally present in the fiber glass, that are the transition metal ion such as iron, chromium, cobalt and copper. During signal transition, that means light propagation, when photon interact with these impurities, the electrons absorb the photons and get excited to higher energy, either as heat energy or light energy. The light is energy is emitted in the excited state, then that is transmitted into the ground state. That means re-emission of light energy. There is re-emission of light energy is no use because it will have different wavelength or different phase of the light. So hence it is loss in this case. So second is scattering loss. In the scattering loss, Rayleigh scattering takes place. This structure is here. This is an optical fiber structure. Inside the optical fiber structure, light is transmitted. Okay. So in this case, this type of scattering is same as Rayleigh scattering. Rayleigh scattering occur whenever a light wave travel through a medium having scattering objects whose dimension are similar than a wavelength, it becomes a loss. So inside the core of the optical fiber, the photon lights it's emit from the fiber, hence it is becomes a loss. So third one is radiation loss. Okay, radiation loss is occurred due to two bands. That is, first one is macroscopic band, second one is microscopic band. These two bands diagram given below. Okay, they are band with radii much larger compared to the fiber diameter. The loss will be negligible for small band but increase rapidly until the bending reaches a certain critical radius of curvatures. In between these two cases, there is a radiation loss also takes place in macroscopic band and microscopic band. This is important question your exam point of view. Attenuation. Attenuation means simply we have says that is loss of power. When light is transmit into the core of the optical fiber, there is a loss of power takes place inside the core of the optical fiber. Next is attenuation constant, attenuation coefficient. Okay, attenuation coefficient represented by alpha. Okay, attenuation coefficient represented by alpha. So it is defined as when light travel in a material medium, there will always be a loss in its intensity with the distance traveled. The loss of intensity is expressed in terms of quality, that is called attenuation coefficient, that is denoted as alpha. That is alpha is equal to minus 10 divided by L log base 10 output power by input power. Its unit is decibel per kilometer. Okay, this equation here where L is length of the optical fiber, here output power, input power. So this expression is derivation is not necessary your exam point of view. Just you write the attenuation coefficient equation is this one. It is important. Based on the equation you can solve some problem also, that is also important.